Fibromyalgia. Well, you're obviously listening to me talk about fibromyalgia because you've been diagnosed with fibromyalgia. You're somebody who's been having unexplained pain for years together. You've been having pain in the upper part of the body, you've been having pain in the neck, your shoulders, your hands, your head is feeling heavy, you don't feel good, you feel tired all the time, you feel like sleeping all the time, your quality of life has come down. You're in pain all the time. There's not a moment of life without pain. You've been in so much of pain. When someone goes through so much of pain day in and day out, the state of mind also changes. They become kind of depressed. Everything seems very gloomy. You wake up in the morning, you don't feel fresh. The first moment in the morning is very painful. That itself causes a depression. You're not yourself. You're moody. You're irritable. You feel like crying. You feel like, what is this? It's not worth living. How long will I carry on? If I'm like this today, what will happen to me after a year? As I grow old, what is going to happen to me? You go from one doctor to the other, they give you many kind of painkillers, nothing helps. You take all sorts of painkillers, you take steroids, you do all sorts of investigations, but all the investigations show that there is nothing wrong with you. Initially you think there's no good doctor here who can diagnose me, so you go from one doctor to the other, one city to the other, one country to the other, and finally you get a diagnosis of fibromyalgia. Well, you're happy that you got yourself diagnosed. You go onto the search engines to see what fibromyalgia is all about, and then there is disappointment there. You get to know what you have, but you don't know what to do about it because there are no treatment for fibromyalgia anywhere. Everybody says it's your state of mind, you don't sleep well, you have to be positive, you have to keep yourself doing exercises. How can you exercise with so much of pain? You're hardly able to stand, you're hardly able to do anything in life. Then how can you exercise? How can you expect to be active? Well, not a good state of being. Then you try alternative systems of medicines. What can homeopathy do? We do get a lot of people with fibromyalgia because there is no treatment for fibromyalgia in allopathy. So we tend to get a lot of them in our clinics. We believe that fibromyalgia is a hypersensitivity of the body to pain. That means you experience more pain than normal people. That happens because of something that is wrong within the body. There are some specific medicines which are used for fibromyalgia, and we have been able to get tremendous help from these medicines to people with fibromyalgia. We've been able to help a lot of them. Start on the medications. I'm not saying the help is immediately, but within about a month or two, they start responding to treatment. They come back and said, we are able to sleep better. See, this is one more important thing. The moment they are able to sleep better, the pains also come down. So we give them medicines which can help them to relax their minds, sleep better. The pain slowly start coming down. Their dependability on painkillers and other allopathic medications slowly begins to come down. Once they begin to become a little better, we advise them to start doing some kind of physical exercises, either go for a walk, yoga, pranayama. Yes, it does help. Yoga, pranayama is something that I very strongly advocate, and it helps. It has helped a lot of people. A combination of homeopathy and some yoga, meditation, we've been able to help a lot of people suffering with fibromyalgia. What would I do if I had fibromyalgia? Treating 30 years of fibromyalgia in my clinic, I began to understand that the diagnosis of fibromyalgia itself is a very big challenge. When the doctor is not able to find any cause behind your pain, he is not able to help you with any kind of medication, he diagnoses you as fibromyalgia. Once you are put on that, there are certain drugs which are given, they do have side effects and they really don't help. I would, number one, accept what I have. I would go through all the books, I would read what fibromyalgia is about. I will also see that fibromyalgia doesn't cause any life-threatening diseases. I will also see that it is not going to incapacitate me. I will understand that yes, I will have pain for the rest of my life maybe, but I can live with it. I can control the pain. There is always a way out of this pain. I have seen a lot of people improve with my medication. So I'm very confident about what my medicines can do for fibromyalgia. So I would definitely be on homeopathic medication. As and when there is a lot of pain, I would probably pop in a painkiller, manage myself. I would also know that when I am low mentally, when I am emotionally low, going through something, my fibromyalgia is going to definitely affect me. So I will try and keep myself cheerful. I will certainly do yoga. I will certainly be a lot more physically active than what I am. I would do pranayama. I would do meditation. I will schedule my day, my life, my lifestyle according to my fibromyalgia pains and aches. I will do things which I can do. I will definitely venture way more than what I am doing today. I will not let this pain incapacitate me. I will fight the pain. I will do everything that I can physically, although I am in pain, because fibromyalgia, that is the only way to break fibromyalgia. Push yourself. Push yourself. Nothing is going to happen to you. Nothing is going to happen to you. Trust me when I say this. A person with fibromyalgia can do what he wants if he can push himself. It is the fear of the pain that stops you from doing it. The more you stop from being physically active, the more you will experience pain. The more you are active, the more you work your muscles, the lesser you will feel pain. So try and be as active as possible. Do things that you want to. Enjoy good food. Enjoy good life. Be happy. Be joyful. You can definitely fight fibromyalgia with this and homeopathic medication. Take care.